Hey, LinkedIn ads conversion tracking. Let's talk about that. Under the measurement section, go into the conversion tracking. So from here, click on create conversion. So the kind of conversion we are talking about in this video is the inside tag conversion. So if you have pasted an inside tag, LinkedIn inside tag on your website, so you can define your conversion here. You can give it any name here. Let's say leads. You can give any name here. Let's say lead, any content offer, from a content offer. You can name the content offer here as well. Then you can select the category of the conversion here. You can just click on, let's say, download the content offer. You can give it any value here, whatever value you want to assign to the conversion. You can select the conversion window here. So click conversion. The options here are 90, 37, and 1 days. And for the view conversion, the options are here are 90, 37, and 1 days. For view conversion, we normally select 7 days. And for the click conversion, we normally select 30 days. Then you can select your attribution window from here. It's last touch each ad set as a default. Normally, we use last touch, last ad set. You can select it from there. Last touch, last ad set, so that you don't multi or overcount your conversions. Then click on the next steps here. So under the website action, you can select which button click you want to select with. And if let's say you want to select the button click as well as the pages, then it will count any conversion if any button has been clicked or if this page has loaded. I guess we don't want to do that. So let's say you just want to select any particular button on any particular page. You can just select the button from here, and in the next step, you can filter it with the page. So you can select the button from here, click on the next step here, click on add filters here, and now you can select the page here. So you can select any page, let's say, that contains a particular word. So you can select here. Then you can only click on track only buttons that submit a form. Click on the next step here, and from here you can select the campaigns for which you want to add this lead generation form, add this conversion tracking to, and then you can click on create and create this conversion. So this way you can select up the conversion tracking using the LinkedIn Insight tag. Thanks so much.